Mastering the art of the poker face, a key to strategic communication. Hello, everyone. Today, we're diving into a fascinating expression used widely in both casual and formal English: to wear a poker face. This phrase is not only common in daily conversations but also holds significant value in professional settings, negotiations, and strategic games. Let's unravel the mystery behind this expression and understand how mastering it can benefit us in various aspects of communication. A poker face is an expressionless face that reveals no hints about one's thoughts or feelings. The term originates from the game of poker, where players strive to keep their opponents guessing about their hand. By maintaining a poker face, individuals can prevent others from gauging their reactions, making it a valuable skill in many situations beyond the card table. To wear a poker face is crucial in scenarios where revealing your emotions or thoughts could put you at a disadvantage. This can include negotiations, competitive settings, or even in personal interactions where you wish to maintain a level of emotional detachment. A well-maintained poker face can help you control the flow of information. You decide what emotions or thoughts you want to share, and when. Avoid showing vulnerability. By not displaying your emotions, you prevent others from using them against you. Enhance your strategic thinking. It allows you to observe and react to situations without bias or influence from external expressions. Developing a poker face involves practice and mindfulness. Here are some tips to get started. Remain calm. Practice stress relief techniques to control your emotions under pressure. Observe and mirror. Watch how people with good poker faces react, or don't react, in different situations. Practice in everyday situations. Try maintaining a neutral expression during various daily interactions. Embracing the concept of wearing a poker face can significantly enhance your strategic communication and interpersonal interactions. Whether in a game of cards, a business negotiation, or any situation requiring a guarded display of emotions, a poker face can be your greatest ally. Remember, it's not about hiding who you are but about strategically managing how you present your reactions and emotions to the world. Thanks for watching, and we hope this video has shed some light on the power of maintaining a poker face.